But the police have launched a manhunt for the man responsible for a shooting incident which caused classes to be cancelled at St. Andrew Prep School on Cecilia Avenue this morning.
No one was injured in the incident, in which a female parent was the target. TVJ's Krista Campbell has the details.
Police crime scene tapes and a scene of crime van indicate it was no ordinary Wednesday morning at St. Andrew Preparatory School in the halfway tree area of St. Andrew. Principal Janet Walsh-Davis says it was about 8:45 and devotion had just ended. Grades 3 to 6 students were making their way back to classes when the sounds of gunfire sent them into a frenzy. TVJ News understands that a woman had just dropped off her daughter at the school and was about to leave. A man said to be a former employee at a gas station where the woman is a manager reportedly attacked her with a gun. Police say the man, a pump attendant who was reportedly fired 2 months ago, jumped into the woman's vehicle and ordered her to drive. She refused, and another parent, a licensed firearm holder who saw what was happening, intervened. Shots were fired and the man reportedly jumped from the vehicle and escaped along Halfway Tree Road.
A school campus is never the place for any kind of resolution of any dispute. Our children must be the first thought because we're here to protect them.
The principal says while no one was physically harmed in the incident, students are traumatized just 1 day after exams started. Exams were cancelled for the day and parents called to pick up their children by midday.
Tomorrow we will not have exams, but school will be in session. What we need to be providing for the students tomorrow morning, especially, is continuing with the emotional support. I do not believe our children will be ready for their exams tomorrow, so exams will be cancelled for tomorrow also.
She says exams might resume by this Friday as all exams must be finished before school breaks for the Easter holiday next Wednesday. Krista Campbell, TVJ News.